Hey you guys, our next step in getting our CO2 dragster design started in Inventor is to actually open up this CO2 dragster template download into our AppStream Inventor app. This is our final step for today, which is May 27th. So once you have downloaded the template, you have watched this video on transferring the download from your Chromebook to your drive, and you've shown me your work in your drive, your next step is to actually open up that file that you've added to your drive and show me that you've gotten that far, and it will go into this CO2 dragster design progress check. So let's see, how do we do that? So I'm going to go into my AppStream, and I'm going to check to make sure that I have added my drive. So I'll go up to my files folder right here. I'm going to click on my files, and I'm going to look in my files for my Google Drive. I'm just going to check and confirm that I have my drive added to my AppStream, and I do. So I'm going to click on that X. If I don't have Google Drive here, what I'm going to have to do is ask for help, because that was a step that we did a while ago. So if you go to check for your Google Drive and it's not here, please go into Schoology and sign up for a Q&A session with me, and I'll help you add your drive. But for those of you who have your Google Drive added, you're going to click on the X and close out of that tab. Now that I know I have my drive added, I'm going to go to the word File. I'm going to choose Open, and I'm going to open up my template, my Dragster block template. To do that, I need to first go to my Look In box. I've already practiced today, so I'm looking in the right spot. So let's see, how did I get there? I'm going to click here, and I'm going to go to this PC. I know that sounds really weird, but that's the word we need to go to. Now that I'm in this PC, I'm going to go into my Google Drive. I have two choices. I can click on it, get a check mark, and go to Open, or I can go to Google Drive and I can double click. I'm just going to choose Open. Now I'm going to go into my drive, and I'm going to choose Open. Now for me personally, when I put my template download from Schoology through my Chromebook and into my drive, I put my CO2 dragster template in a design and modeling folder. If you did that, great. You want to now, on your AppStream tab, look inside your design and modeling folder. If on your drive you did not organize this into a folder, it's probably just in my drive, and that's where you'll look. But since I added mine to a design and modeling folder, I go in the folder and I can see here's my CO2 dragster block template download. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to click on Open. And here it is. It's open up on my screen. At this point, your next assignment in Schoology is to take a screenshot of your dragster block opened up in your Schoology. So you'll do a screenshot, you will submit that to your CO2 dragster design progress check. So for today, you have two checks. You're showing me that you added this assignment to your drive, and then you've shown me that you can open that dragster download in your AppStream Inventor software. If you can't get any of those steps, it's really important that first you have either checked to see if you can sign up for a Q&A session with me, or you have sent me an email so you can get additional help. But to be totally honest with you, a Q&A session has been way more helpful for students who are struggling compared to just sending an email.